Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mailchimp, manage email marketing campaigns step by step clearly. Open your web browser and type mailchimp.com into the address bar. Click the login button on the top right corner of the Mailchimp homepage. On the login screen, enter the email address you used to create your Mailchimp account. Enter your password carefully, making sure caps lock is not turned on. If you are on a personal device, you can choose to stay logged in for faster access next time. Click the login button to access your account. If Mailchimp asks for a verification code, check your email or authenticator app and enter the code. After logging in, take a moment to confirm you are on the correct account from the profile icon. From the main dashboard, review the quick overview cards to see recent activity. Click Campaigns in the left-hand menu to view your email campaign area. Select all campaigns to see a list of drafts, scheduled emails, and sent campaigns. Click Create to start a new email campaign. Choose Email as the campaign type to build a standard email marketing message. Enter a campaign name that helps you recognize the purpose later. Go to the Audience section and select the audience you want to send to. If you have multiple audiences, double-check you selected the correct list before continuing. Click Add Recipient Settings and choose segments or tags if you want a targeted send. Move to the From section and confirm your sender name and sender email address. If prompted, verify your sender email to improve deliverability and trust. Go to the Subject section and write a clear subject line that matches the email content. Optionally add preview text so subscribers understand the message before opening. Click Design Email to choose a template or use the drag-and-drop email builder. Add your logo, headings, images, and text, and keep the layout clean for mobile readers. Insert a call to action button so recipients know exactly what to do next. Use the preview option to check both desktop and mobile versions. Click Test Email to send a test message to yourself and confirm formatting and links. When everything looks correct, click Schedule to choose a date and time or click Send to deliver immediately. Return to the Reports section after sending to track opens, clicks, and performance details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.